Today, let us talk about the performance of your automation rules. Now, when you are looking at your automation rules, the list of all the rules that you may have in your Jira instance, you can do few things like you can take a look at the audit log, or maybe you can take a look at the usage of your rules. It will, of course, tell you uh, like how many executions you have done, your rules have done so far. But there might be a case when some of the rules are maybe taking too long to perform, and when you're working on rules, depending upon what you're doing with the rule, maybe you're doing something simple, maybe you're doing a bit more complicated. I think it is always good to know how well they are performing, their performance. And the good news is that there is actually a way. If you go to the option here on top right corner, and if you go to the view performance insights, you can select the period here on top. So for example, if you look here on this particular graph, we have the information starting from December 7th till today, January 7th, and it will tell you information about the execution count, and you can also take a look at the details of various rules that you may have in your Jira instance. For example, if you can see here, you can take a look at the details of all the rules by their execution count. For example, this specific rule, which is doing something with the cascading select list, has maximum number of execution count, and also you can see here the duration, like how long it took for that particular rule to execute in total, and you have the average duration as well. And then you have some other statistics like success, no actions, some errors, and loop, and throttled. So this page will definitely give you an idea about rules that are slow. You may have a rule that is doing maybe a lot of things, and if you see that here in the list on top, and you can also see here if the average duration of that particular rule is, let us say, maybe a minute. I think that is really too much, and you can then probably do something about it. Maybe you can think of breaking up that particular rule into two rules, or maybe not doing too much in one go. So the good news is that you have the option to basically take a look at this page, where you can see some details about the performance of your rules. And I thought I'll probably share it with you in case you are trying to do something in your Jira instance, and maybe you are also considering trying to optimize the usage of the rules, and do take a look at this particular page. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.